We go again in our favorite place, Shangri-La. Ayan, magtampisaw tayo dyan. Last time, hindi kami nagtampisaw ni husband. Ayan ang ating pamirror. Bongga sila kasi pag magbihis ka dyan, talagang kitang-kitang the whole body. And then ating front door. And then the hallway. Iyan na si husband. Pinambubuksan na ang aming mga kalat. And then, ayan yung aming bed. Staying again here. Ayan ang aming favorite ni husband na manonood siya. And then, look at our view mga guys. Kitang-kita ang ating opera house.
It is a pretty good view.
Yeah.